Hello, this is Tina Luna and this is our login page. When you log in and you get to the dashboard page, Demetrius has updated the colors of the 4 buttons. There used to be 5 with one large box, but now there's 4. Additionally, there were 2 boxes at the bottom, but they were combined to one. I added functionality on these values so they retrieve from the database. Demetrius has also created a forms page. Here I added functionality so you can upload the files into the web app. This would upload into our database in DocuSeal as well, so if you go to DocuSeal and refresh it, now there's 3. I also updated the documents page so it pulls from the database. It's currently empty since no requests were made. Demetrius has updated the contacts page so the button for adding contacts is green and the button for deleting is light gray. He updated the page number and the total number of contacts, maximizing the scoring contacts page. I updated the contacts feature so contacts can be added and deleted. This adds the contacts. Selecting and deleting removes the contacts from the web app. This is pgadmin, a database GUI that I use. So when I run the select query for the contacts table, it updates as true. And then when I delete, it does a soft delete, meaning that the contact assigned as false is active. Contacts can be deleted on the database, leading to a hard delete, but this has to be done as an admin in the command prompt. Jasmine has worked on the sorting of contacts alphabetically by first name, last name, and email. She also worked on searching for contacts. The search does not match any contacts, it returns no matching contacts. I can search for specific names. If I search SHA, for example, it pulls up 2 because SHA is in 2 contacts. Marquisha has worked on the email feature and has created templates. If you go to her email, it shows the test she has done with Postman with the email templates. I have worked on the reset password feature. If you go to the forgot your password page on the login page and add in your email, an email will be sent using the reset password template that I made. The link on there will send you to the password reset page where you can change the password. Demetrius has created this page and added constraints so the passwords on both fields have to match. A pop-up will appear if they don't. Once the password is updated, I made it update the database to take the new password. Jasmine is our testing lead and she has started testing the contacts feature out with Playwright. She has to keep working on it, but it runs like this. Finally, I worked on a database and these are the tables that I have made. That is what we have accomplished for our second sprint. Thank you.